Make two sets of the same data. In the first set, arrange the data to be plotted in two columns, such as control set and the treated set. In addition, make two blank columns. The point is to have 4 columns and 4 rows. Select all the data points and make a scatter plot. In the second set, arrange the data with only the average data point and their standard deviation. Select the average data points to plot a bar graph. The axis value can be set to the same value as the scatter graph. Add the error bars as standard deviation to the bar graph. Once the standard deviation is added, this graph is ready to be modified. Select the color of your choice for the bars. In addition, the border lines can also be modified with color and line thickness. Now, copy the graph individually and paste it into a Microsoft PowerPoint template. The grid and lines from the bar graph can be conveniently deleted. In fact, except the bars and the error bars, all the components from this graph can be deleted. Similarly, delete the grid, lines, and the title chart from the scatter plot. The next step is to move the data points from the right-hand side towards the y-axis line. To do this, make a double click on the x-axis and change the minimum and maximum bounds. Now, the data points have inched adjacent to the y-axis. Modify the line color and thickness of both the axis lines. If required, tick marks can also be added to the y-axis line at this point. To increase the size of the data points, make a double left click on any of the data points. Select the marker option from above and continue to solid fill. Select the color of your choice, for instance, red. Similarly, under border options, select the solid line, color, and increase the size of the border width accordingly. Now, the data points seemed larger in size. Similarly, all the data points can be modified with their colors and sizes. Once the modification is completed, the bars with the standard deviation is ready for overlay with the scatter plot. Simply drag the bar chart and adjust the side according to the data points. The labels from the x-axis can be removed by selecting None from the Labels option. Since the yellow data point is the average value, therefore, adjust the bars such that the tip of the bars coincides with the yellow data point. Select the bar chart and use the Send to Back option to bring the data points to the front. If required, the yellow data points can be removed since the tip of the bars represents the average value. To remove the extra line in the x-axis, select the graph and convert into a picture. Now, crop the image to reduce the line in the x-axis. This graph is now ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more such videos.